Mum, have a look! Look at all the rain! Look out there! It's just rain! Look how amazing it is! And look, it's a river there. Oh! This is fucking amazing! Look at it! It's little bits of... This is fucking amazing! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god, look at it! Look at it! Look how amazing it is! Don't worry about your car. Your car is fine. Just enjoy the moment. Like that bit of flesh. Enjoy it, Mum. Well, then go back inside then. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was amazing! Holy shit! Oh my god, I've never seen something like that before. This is worse than Timaru. I know! Isn't it awesome? Don't be... Embrace it, Mum. Embrace it! Fuck up! What? Look at the river. Oh shit. It was one, it didn't look too close maybe, I don't know.
Might have been behind him, sorry. Someone just took the car.
Why?
It's flood.
That's alright. I can't believe this is not even on the news.
What?
Holy shit!
Not been that bad before.
I think it has, yes it has, but it has never been that bad at this period of time, like this quickly. It's never been... It's almost over though.
How do you know?
It's brighter, it's getting brighter.
Look at that.
What is that, mate? Is that coming from the road?
Yeah. Oh god, it's going to blow up.
Yep. Oh. I think this is probably my best video here. Look how big it's getting though.
Big car.
How close is that? Oh, there.
You need to go a bit slow, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I was actually praying to the universe for this day. How close is that? Is that pretty close?
No. It's behind us.
I think that was pretty close. See, what I realised was that with the Australian storm, it'd shift around. It would shift around. This is what this is doing, and the Timberi one as well. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's actually getting bigger by the second.
Yeah, that's what happened. It stood on the road. Imagine if I'd trapped my car on the street.
Be gone. Actually, no, I think the insides will be flooded. The inside of it will be flooded.
How far is that water coming in?
Almost at the tip of the end of the footpath there, you can just see it there.
The motor moves a fucking car.
No. God, look at it.
I might have to ring Robbie in a minute.
Why?
Because what if they just... It's starting to get...
Yes, but honestly, don't worry about it. If things like that worry, then it's going to happen.
Oh, shut up.
I can't even do that. Oh, was that funny?
I don't know.
I'm just wondering where the fucking lightning is coming from now.
Behind us, over that way.